By the end of this video, you will be calculating atom economy confidently. These calculations are some easy way to grab full marks and boost your grade. After worked examples, we are working through past paper questions, talking about exam tips and strategies step by step. Click the quiz link at the end of the video to get feedback to improve. This is really good practice. Let's start calculating. Take a calculator and a periodic table. In summary, from the previous videos, 1 mole of carbon atoms, mass 12 gram. The number is relative atomic mass or RAM, or the symbol is AR, which you can find in the periodic table for each element. We have worked through this. We also learned about the equation, conversion mole to mass, which is N mole equals to M mass over MR, which is relative formula mass. We rearrange the equation to calculate the unknown. If you're not sure of these, please click on the previous videos in this playlist. Now, what is atom economy? It is a measure of how efficiently atoms from reactants are incorporated into the desired product in a chemical reaction. It focuses on waste prevention, not on how much product you actually isolated. The equation to use is this: relative formula mass of the desired product over sum of the relative formula masses of the reactants times 100, because you are finding percentage atom economy. Now let's go straight to the calculation. The question is, the metal tungsten can be extracted from its oxide, tungsten oxide, by reduction with hydrogen at a high temperature. They have given you the equation. Calculate the percentage atom economy for this reaction. And they have also given you the relative atomic masses, which is good news because you don't have to look through the periodic table. And they also gave you the equation for the calculation. So we have kept the equation on this slide so that it is in front of us. We are calculating the percentage atom economy for this reaction. So step 1, we'll do this in 3 easy steps. Step 1, we calculate the relative formula mass of the desired product. In this case, the desired product is the element tungsten. So it is the relative atomic mass of tungsten that we need. They have given that value, that is 184. In step 2, we calculate the sum of the relative formula masses of the reactants. The reactants are WO3 plus 3H2. So we are going to add up the relative formula masses of both the reactants. Now, one thing very important here to be careful about is there is 3 times hydrogen, H2. Now, in H2, there are 2 atoms of hydrogens together. So that means 3 times 2 times hydrogen, and the RAM of hydrogen is 1. So we have to consider all of those and add them up. So altogether 184 plus 48 plus 6. So you get 238. Now the equation is this. In step 3, what we're going to do, we put all those values in. Relative formula mass of the desired product. In step 1, we got 184. In step 2, we got the sum of the relative formula masses of the reactants. It is 238. We key those into the calculator and we get the final answer, 77.3. Now this is your turn. Quite easy. So try it yourself. Pause the video and try it yourself in 3 easy steps, 1, 2, and 3. When you are done, start the video and then we'll go through the answers. Have you got the answer? Let's go through it together. Step 1, calculate the relative formula mass of the products, which means here Ti, not the NaCl. Be careful about it because they have specified it for titanium. Step 2, sum of the relative formula mass of the reactants. So the reactants are TiCl4 plus 4Na. Important thing to remember here is 4Na. Do not forget times 4 of the sodium. Key in the numbers into the calculator and you get 17%, the final answer. Well done. Now let's solve a GCSE past paper question. The question is, calculate the percentage atom economy for the production of silver iodide in this reaction. Give your answer to 3 significant figures. And the mark is 3. So they have given you the relative formula masses, so we don't have to calculate or search for it in the periodic table. So very little calculation you have to really do to get this full 3 marks. The equation for atom economy is this. And step 1, in the mark scheme, let's go through it. What is the relative formula mass of the desired product? In this case, you are calculating for silver iodide. Not calculating, you have got it, they have given it to you. So 235. Then step 2, RFM, relative formula mass of the reactants. So that means silver nitrate and silver iodide. Be very careful about considering every single atom of the reactants because students make mistake here. So silver nitrate, we have got 1 silver and 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen atoms. Okay, and for silver iodide, we have got 1 sodium and 1 iodine. Show all your work. This is mark 1. Then add all those up and calculate, put those into the equation, and that is mark 2. So you got 235 relative formula mass of the desired product divided by 320 times 100. And you got the final answer 73.4. Now, one important thing here is they have said give your answer to 2 significant figures. That means you have to write the number using 3 meaningful digits, starting from the first non-zero digit. That means you have got 73.4. If you have got larger number, like longer numbers on your calculator, you have to round it up and you get 73.4, the final answer, and that is the full 3 marks you get. On the top it says 2 marks, it's not right, so 3 marks for all 3 steps. Now, if this video helped you, subscribe to Chemistry Made Easy channel so that you don't miss the next video in this playlist. Click the link for the next video and the quiz for the feedback on atom economy. Keep practicing, keep shining, grades will follow. All the best.